This installation guide will cover the process for setting up your new MotorBox tonneau cover. If the bulkhead is lower than the side rail on your vehicle, please install sealing foam on the bulkhead before installing the tonneau cover. Peel off the tape and attach it to one edge of the bulkhead and extend to the other end. Keep the foam bar straight while attaching. Place the entire side rail cover on top of the truck bed rail. Make sure it is vertically leveled. Double check that the tension plate is located near the tailgate. Insert the side rail into the bulkhead and tighten the screw. Loosen the screw on each clamp to separate the parts. Insert the clamp into the gap of the side rail. Tighten the screw to secure the side rail in place. Attach 3 clamps evenly on each side. Make sure to leave 6 to 8 inches space on each end. Pull the cover over Velcro strips on the side rail. Pull with moderate force to prevent wrinkles. Press down the latch cover to close the tonneau cover. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out to MotorBox customer service with any questions or concerns.